Hello guys, thank you for joining me on this new video. What I'm gonna be discussing here regarding Cloudways is how you can find your WordPress application username and password, right? So maybe you're a little bit confused about this new layout, right? Don't worry, it is actually pretty simple at first as well. You know, it can get a little bit of time to get used to it, but I'm gonna show you where to find it. So before we do, um, if you don't already have an account, or maybe you already do, so just follow along with what I'm gonna show you. But if you don't already have an account, you're gonna find over here I have a link for a free trial, but I also have a coupon here if you want to get 10% off for the next 3 months, right? So with that being said, we're gonna come up here. This is the server that you already started, and in that server you have your different application, and in this case we're talking about a WordPress application. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna toggle over here to show the applications, and right now it's gonna show us all the applications that are live in your account. At the moment I only have this application, right? It would be the same thing as clicking over here to application. It's just gonna bring us to the same place. Once we over here, we need to select the application that we need to log into. So in this case, this is the only one that I have. I'm gonna select here, and I need to make sure that I am at access details over here, right? So once I have access detail, basically this is the section that has all the data that I need, but the section that has the credential is going to be over here where it says admin panel. Okay, so I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click it, and it's going to bring me here, and this is where I need to enter the username and the password. um, just a quick side note. The link that you have there is a little bit the same as the one that you have here. So this is going to be the link of your actual website, right? But with WordPress, there is a shortcut when we come to the actual link of the website and we add WP admin, okay? And it actually brings us to the same place where we can log in as an admin, right? So that's basically the side note there. So once we're there, we basically at the same place there. We're gonna come up here. This is where we have the username. I'm just gonna copy this, and he said that it has been copied. I'm gonna come up here, and I'm gonna paste it here, right? I'm gonna go back, and I'm gonna come up here as well, and I'm gonna grab the password. I don't need to actually show it here, right? So I'm just gonna grab it, copy that, come up here, and I'm gonna paste it here. Once this is done, I just need to click over here and log in, and now I'm gonna be logged in the admin section of the website, and you can go ahead and do whatever you need to do. So really short video that I wanted to show you how to get the username and the password of your WordPress application on Cloudways. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it below.